Hi, good day. This is the BMW 1 Series 130i and E87 series. So today I would like to show you guys is changing the main headlight of this one. So what you need to do is plug this one. Take out this. You can see that there's two lines here. You need to switch off this one, just press it down and take it on. There will be a connection at the bottom. You just take off that one, just pull up like this, and then you can just take off this one. Easy. So you can see that there's a bit black, there's a bond, and just put aside this one. And what you need is take the D1S. This is the new one. Okay, very easy. Just slowly pull it back. Put the socket on. Put this bracket on. Job done. Thanks for watching.